Need GPU power in India for AI, ML, or rendering? Let's break down how to rent a GPU step by step. GPU rental is now the smarter choice. No huge upfront cost, instant scalability, and pay only for what you use. Step 1. Choose your provider. Cyfuture AI offers local data centers for low latency, while AWS or RunPod give global options. Step 2. Select your GPU. H100 and A100 for heavy AI training, RTX 4090 for performance tasks, or budget GPUs like RTX 3060 for smaller projects. Step 3. Create an account, complete KYC, and set up billing, usually via UPI, cards, or bank transfer in India. Step 4. Configure your instance. Most platforms offer pre-installed CUDA, PyTorch, and TensorFlow so you're ready in minutes. Step 5. Launch and monitor. Track GPU usage, scale up or down, and only pay for what you use. That's it. Renting GPUs in India is quick, cost-effective, and future-ready. From startups to enterprises, the cloud makes AI accessible for all. Rent GPU in India with Cyfuture AI. Smarter, faster, cost-effective.